What if your website could talk to your visitors, answer questions, make sales, and never ever sleep? That's not science fiction anymore. It's AI Chatbot, and they are transforming WordPress websites all over the world. So today, let's see the top AI chatbot for WordPress sites. Each one has its own personality, story, and reason why it might be just the one for your site. Number 1, BotPress, the developer's dream. Let's start with the tech powerhouse BotPress. Imagine a chatbot that doesn't just reply, it thinks in flows. It learns your tone, your brand, your goals, and responds like it's part of your team. This is the Swiss Army knife of chatbots. You can design multiple conversations, connect it to APIs, speak multiple languages. It's insanely flexible. But here's the truth, it's not for everyone. BotPress needs a bit of tech muscle. If you're not comfortable tweaking logic flows or handling integrations, it might feel like overkill. For agencies, SaaS founders, or developers who love building things from scratch, BotPress is the dream chatbot. Number 2, Easel AI, the business brain. Next up is Easel AI, the chatbot that knows your business inside out. Easel isn't just a chatbot, it's like a company insider. It connects to your tools like Zendesk, Notion, or Google Docs and instantly answer questions using your internal data. So when a customer asks something detailed, Easel responds like someone who's worked at your company for years. But quality comes at a price. This one is for serious teams with structured support system startups, customer success teams, or growing online businesses. If you need reliability and brain power, Easel is that AI colleague who never forgets a detail. Number 3, BuddyBot. Privacy meets power. Now, here's one of the privacy warriors, BuddyBot. In a world where every click is tracked and sold, BuddyBot flips the script. You host it yourself on WordPress, meaning every chat, every message stays completely yours. It's not the kind of chatbot you just install and forget. It takes setup, some patience, and a bit of tech curiosity. But once it's running, it's fast, private, and deeply integrated into your site. No data leaks, no middlemen. So, if your brand deals with sensitive data, or you simply value independence, BuddyBot gives you freedom and security in one package. Number 4, Tawk.to, the free chatbot powerhouse. Okay, let's switch gears. Not everyone wants complexity or heavy AI integration. If you just want something simple that works, meet Tawk.to. This is the friendly neighborhood chatbot, free to use, quick to set up, and solid for real-time chats. You can even add a light AI layer to handle common questions automatically. Sure, it's not the most advanced AI on the list, but if you're running a small shop, a blog, or you're just starting out, Tawk.to give you value without cost. It's like that dependable friend who is always available when you need them. Simple, but surprisingly powerful. Number 5, Chatbot by LiveChat, the professional conversationalist. And finally, Chatbot by LiveChat. This one is the pro, the polished, well-trained assistant that handles customers like a seasoned sales rep. It integrates beautifully with WordPress and gives you pre-built conversation templates, automations, and analytics. Perfect for medium to large businesses that want to look professional and save time. The only catch is not as customizable without coding. You can tweak flows, but deep personalization takes a little technical know-how. If you want something that just works and looks good by doing it, Chatbot by LiveChat is the one to beat. Make sure to check the link in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, so if you decide to upgrade, it also supports this channel at no extra cost to you. So, which one fits your story? BudPress if you love control. Easel AI if you run a team that needs brains. BuddyBot if you care about your privacy. Tawk.to if you're just starting out. And Chatbot by LiveChat if you want something pro and polished. Your website story deserves a voice, one that works day and night to connect, to serve, and to sell. Go check them out, explore the demos, and find a chatbot that truly speaks your language. I'm Peyton, and this is WP Chat Solutions. See you in the next video.